Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some grilled tilapia fish. Yes, so these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of everyday seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme from the bottle, and 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Okay, but guys, if you don't have all this seasoning that I'm using, you can always use what you have. Yes. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a paste for my tilapia fish. So I'm gonna add at least 4 to 5 spoons of vegetable oil to my seasoning. You can always add some olive oil. Then I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in. Like so. Guys, I'm telling you, this recipe is so delicious. Your family, your friend, everyone gonna enjoy it. It's really good. I made it for my family, and honestly, my husband loves it so much. And I'm also gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of hot pepper sauce to it. Just use your favorite hot pepper sauce. Oops, made a mess. Just make sure it is all combined. So that's perfect. Lovely. So guys, that's my tilapia fish right there. As you can see, it's a bit big. It's not too small. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pat dry it with my hand towel, because you want it to be all dry. Okay, just gonna flip it over. I already washed it, guys. I washed my fish with lemon. You can always use some vinegar. You just want to open it up also and pat dry it. Yep, like so. So that's perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna trim the tail just a bit, like so. Yeah, perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna season my tilapia. My hand is all clean, I washed it. So you're just gonna take all that seasoning and just put it all over on your fish. Oh guys, I forgot to mention, honestly, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna cut it as well. Yeah, I totally forgot that. You're gonna make sure you cut it, okay? So all this seasoning will go right in there. Yes. Like so. I totally forgot. Good thing I remember. So you see that? You're gonna put all this seasoning all over inside of it. I don't know why I forgot that, because I normally cut it. Gonna put some seasoning on the inside. So guys, as you can see, I've got my tray and I've got my grill right here, and I just put some file paper underneath the bottom. So make sure guys you do it exactly like this, okay? Because it's gonna grill basically. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna rub some oil on my grill so my fish doesn't stick, okay? See that? You just want to do this. So now I'm gonna add my fish. Just lay it down. And guys, I'm gonna allow it to bake for at least 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes, okay? And what I did, I leave back some of my seasoning. So guys, I just removed my grilled tilapia from the oven, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and browned, and that's exactly how I want it. So before I turn it guys, I'm just gonna add some more of my seasoning on top of it. You just want to dab it. This just gonna add more flavor. So that's perfect. So now I'm just gonna flip it over. Make sure you take your time. Oops. So that's perfect lift. And you can always add some more oil to your bowl. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush some more of my seasoning on top of my tilapia fish, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven guys for at least 35 minutes, okay? I'm telling you, this fish is gonna be so flavorful. Your family are gonna love it. It's so good. Back in the oven. See you back. So guys, I'm just frying a fried plantain to go with my grilled fish. I'm telling you, grilled fish with plantain tastes absolutely delicious. If you guys try this recipe, you're gonna love it. So as you can see, I just removed the skin off my plantain and I'm just gonna cut it up, but just continue to watch the video and see exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so stay tuned. So my fried plantain are nicely fried. As you can see, they are nice and golden, and that's exactly how I like them. I'm telling you, I love me some fried plantain. It's my favorite. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. But guys, make sure you don't make your plantain burn up, okay? Give an eye on it. So guys, I just removed my grilled fish from the oven, and that's what it's look like. I'm telling you, it is perfectly grilled. As you can see, it is nice and golden, and it's a bit crispy as well, and that's exactly how I want it. It's been in the oven altogether for 1 hour. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, I'm just planing it up with some ripe plantain on the side and some salad. Guys, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video. You will be the first to see it. Okay? Thank you all. So now I'm just gonna taste some of my grilled tilapia with my fried plantain. And guys, trust me, it was absolutely delicious. The fish is so flavorful. Guys, this recipe is a must try. It is so good. And the fried plantain, as I said, go perfectly with it. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, stay blessed, love ya.